So here's how you're going to turn off the sleep mode on Instagram. So what you need to do is to open up your Instagram app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then proceed to the settings indicated by the hamburger menu. Then from the options right here, go to your time management section. And inside there, you'll be able to see your daily average and a time spent on Instagram. But below, you have two options for a daily limit as well as for the sleep mode. So when you tap on a sleep mode, you can either enable it or disable it or choose a start and end time. So this is a bit more customizable. The same thing applies to the options below, so you can also just select the days of the week when you want to schedule the sleep mode. So the notifications will be muted during the times and people will see that you are technically in the sleep mode. If you want to turn it off, of course, you disable the toggle at the top and you are going to be done. So that's it from me. If you like these quick and straight to the point tutorials, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.